In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icon in Webflow. We'll add a clean, scalable SVG icon to your site using the image element, so you can place it exactly where you need it. I'll walk you through the designer, choosing or uploading the file, and a few quick styling tips to make it look great on every screen. Start on your Webflow dashboard in the Sites view. Pick the project you want to edit and open it in the designer. That takes you right into your canvas with your page visible and the left sidebar ready. If you don't see the page you want, switch pages from the top left dropdown. In the designer, open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon. This shows all the building blocks you can drag onto the canvas. Find the image element. Click and drag it to the exact spot where you want the icon to live. Inside a section, a container, a link block, or a button. Watch for the blue highlight to confirm the drop location. If you're placing an icon next to text, drop it inside the same parent element so it aligns neatly with the content. As soon as the image element is on the page, the prompt appears asking you to choose an asset. Click Choose Image. The Assets panel opens with your existing media. If the icon is already uploaded as an SVG, select it and you'll see a preview. If you don't see it yet, upload it from your computer. SVGs are ideal for icons because they're lightweight and stay sharp at any size. After selecting the file, Webflow will place it right where you dropped the image element. From here, you can size the icon using the right side style panel. Set a width, like 24 or 32 pixels, and let the height auto to preserve proportions. For alignment, use Flexbox or Grid on the parent element if you want the icon and text to sit perfectly centered. For accessibility, plan to add descriptive alt text so screen readers understand what the icon represents. And if you need to change the icon's color, consider preparing a monochrome SVG in your design tool, or use an inline SVG approach in more advanced setups. And that's it. Your icon is added in Webflow, exactly where you want it. Save and publish to see it live. Thanks for watching and happy building.